Welcome back to PicoBricks series. Today we'll be looking at controlling the RGB LED using the potentiometer. When we turn the potentiometer to the right, the LED will get brighter, and when we turn the potentiometer to the left, the LED will get dimmer. Let's get into it. Now that you've connected PicoBricks to your computer, first thing you need to do is open up your favourite web browser. As you can see here, we're using Google Chrome. And within the address bar, you need to type ide.picobricks.com and then press enter. Now that the PicoBricks IDE page is opened, we need to click View More on the Pico Blockly icon here, as this will be the editor we're using today. Once the PicoBricks editor is loaded, we need to click on Basic, and we need a PicoBricks block. Next, we need a forever loop, so we'll click on Loops, and then we'll click and drag the forever block over. Next, we need to create a variable, so we'll click on Variables, Create Variable, and we give this the name Color. Then we want the Set Color to block, and we'll put that within the forever loop. Next, we need to click on Math, and from here we want a round block, and we'll connect that within the color block. Next, we need to click on Math again, and this time we want the 1+1 block. And this might be a little bit tricky, but we want to connect this within the 3.1. Now click on Bricks, and we want the Read Potentiometer block. We want to connect that within the first one. Again, this might be a little bit tricky because we're nesting blocks inside blocks here. You might even find it easier to actually do it this way, is actually to remove the blocks and connect them together first. Next, we want to click on this plus sign and get the times sign. So we're going to read the potentiometer and times it by something. But first we need to click on Math, and we need another 1+1 block. I want to put that inside the 1. So we're going to put 255 in there. We want to pick a divide sign here. So within here I want to type 65535. And now we should be able to connect this whole block into the round. Just like that. So next we want to do something with this. So we'll click on the RGB LED, and we want the Set RGB Color block, and attach that underneath there. And next we want to click on Variables, and we want a Color block. I want to connect that into the R value. And we need another 2 of these, so we'll just click Duplicate. And we'll attach them within the G and the B. If you've enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button to let us know you're enjoying the content. This will also let YouTube know to serve it to a wider audience. Let's get back to the video. So this is our completed code. When we hit the run button, PicoBricks will run. The code will run forever. It will read the value of the potentiometer and set that to color. Then the RGB LED will set the RGB values to color. So this will control the dimness of our LED or brightness, depending on what way we're turning the potentiometer. Before we run our code, we need to connect the PicoBricks to our editor. So click the little connection sign, pick board in FS mode, and click connect. So now that we've got PicoBricks connected to our editor, we can now click run and see our code in action on our PicoBricks. So we can see here when we turn the potentiometer right, the PicoBricks LED lights up. When we turn it left, it starts going dimmer and goes back out. Well done! You've just created your own dimmable LED using the potentiometer. Come back for the next video where we will be learning how to control a servo motor using PicoBricks. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy coding!